Watch this! I gave one AI scene 3 heroes, a collapsing space station, rescue drones, a portal, and a camera chasing the escape. Wan 3.0 on OpenArt handled it without visual chaos. Let's dive in. For this test, I am building a trailer for Riftfall, our original game concept. Romain, Lara, and Gigi are trapped on a station as a dimensional rupture tears through it. They must activate the portal, guide the evacuation drones, and reach the new world before the station disappears. Inside OpenArt, I open Wan 3.0 and prepare the first scene. I upload the reference images for all 3 characters, their armor, the station interior, the drones, and the Riftfall portal. Then I write one clear scene description that assigns every character a different action. Romain reaches the control platform, Lara redirects the drones, and Gigi watches the rupture while warning the team. The first feature I want to test is multi-subject consistency. This is not one hero standing in an empty frame. 3 recognizable characters must move at the same time, interact with the same environment, and remain readable while lights flash, debris drifts, and drones cross the background. The surprise is that the scene can feel busy without becoming confusing. Next, I choose the camera movement deliberately. The opening uses a push toward the control platform. The escape uses a follow shot behind the team. The portal reveal switches to an orbit that exposes the rupture and the destination beyond it. Wan 3.0 offers push, pull, pan, follow, and orbit controls, so the camera plan is a choice rather than a lucky phrase hidden inside the prompt. Before spending the full generation, I check the keyframe preview. On the first attempt, Lara is too close to the edge and the portal dominates the frame. I stop that version, adjust the character positions, reduce the portal size, and preview again. That small step matters because a beautiful render cannot rescue weak staging. Once the composition works, I generate the scene and build the next 2 setups with the same cast. The second scene follows the trio through a transparent corridor while the station fractures outside. The third places them on the new planet as the portal collapses behind them. Reusing Romain, Lara, and Gigi across different environments is the real trailer test, not a single isolated shot. Wan 3.0 can finish at up to 4K and offers 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. For Riftfall, I would use 24 frames per second for the dramatic trailer scenes, then test 60 for a faster gameplay-style social cut. Higher detail helps the armor surfaces, portal reflections, drone lights, and environment textures survive close inspection. My honest reaction is that the camera control is the biggest upgrade for this project. The multi-character result is impressive, but the deliberate push, follow, and orbit moves are what make the sequence feel planned. The preview is equally useful because I can reject a weak composition early instead of waiting for a polished mistake. There is still a creative job to do. Clear blocking and readable staging matter. If every character runs in a different direction while effects compete for attention, the scene will fail. Wan 3.0 adds capacity, but the idea still needs hierarchy. That is why Riftfall is a useful showcase. It demands a recurring cast, action, environment changes, and intentional camera movement, yet the audience must understand the mission instantly. Wan 3.0 lets us keep those layers instead of shrinking the trailer into one character and one background. Use my referral link on the first line of the description to try Wan 3.0 on OpenArt. Check the pricing page as well. For creators planning regular image and video work, OpenArt positions the annual Wonder Plan as its best value tier, with a large credit allowance and unlimited creation on selected models. Build a scene that normally feels too complicated, preview the composition, and see how much of the original idea survives.